LPX Louisiana Pacific, or LPX, with a market value of $4.4 billion and a dividend yield of 1.6%, holds great potential in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. Warren Buffett began investing in LPX in Q3 2022 and increased his stake by 21% in the following quarter, showing his confidence in the company's future prospects. The acquisition of a mill in Wawa, Ontario, to expand their LP SmartSide trim and siding operation demonstrates LPX's commitment to growth. This mill, with a massive 400 million square feet of capacity, will make LPX the industry leader. In 2022, LPX's siding solutions generated $1.5 billion in revenue, with impressive growth and earnings. While some analysts express concerns about the housing market's impact on wood products demand, Buffett's continued interest in LPX suggests a more positive outlook. LPX's consistent dividend growth, with a compound annual growth rate of over 13%, further underscores its attractiveness as a long-term investment. In summary, Louisiana Pacific presents a promising opportunity for investors, and its association with Warren Buffett makes it one of the standout dividend stocks for 2024. KO Coca-Cola, or KO, with a market value of $277.1 billion and a robust dividend yield of 2.9%, stands as one of Warren Buffett's cherished holdings within Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. This iconic beverage giant has been a part of Berkshire's investments since 1988, when Buffett initiated his purchase of 23.4 million KO shares, valued at approximately $1.8 billion by the end of 1989. Today, Coca-Cola is the fourth largest holding in Berkshire's portfolio, worth $25.5 billion, boasting a compound annual growth rate of 9%, slightly outperforming the broader market. But what truly sets KO apart is its generous dividend, offering an annualized payout of $1.84 per share. With Berkshire holding 400 million shares, this translates to a substantial $736 million in annual dividends, which means that Buffett's initial investment in KO would be recouped in just about 2 years, thanks to these dividend payments, a compelling testament to the power of compounding. Coca-Cola's moves toward diversification are also noteworthy, as seen with the appointment of Felipe Schaely as CEO of its Costa Coffee subsidiary. Furthermore, their collaboration with Molson Coors Beverage to introduce new alcoholic beverages highlights the company's adaptability and continued growth in diverse markets. In summary, Coca-Cola remains a stalwart in Warren Buffett's portfolio, representing an enduring and lucrative dividend stock, and its strategic endeavors position it for sustained success throughout 2024. BAC, Bank of America, or BAC, with a market value of $217.4 billion and an attractive dividend yield of 3.2%, holds a prominent position in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. It's the second largest holding, just behind Apple. Warren Buffett initiated his investment in BAC in Q3 2017, and Berkshire is now the bank's largest institutional shareholder with a staggering 1.03 billion shares. In a recent media appearance, Buffett shared his respect for BAC's CEO, Brian Moynihan, and his reluctance to part with the stock, despite selling off other bank holdings held for decades. He voiced concerns about the system's alignment with accountability for financial misdeeds. The key question surrounding banks relates to unrealized losses from their bond portfolios, including BAC's. However, the bank's robust deposit base, as highlighted by CFO Alistair Borthwick, positions it for future profitability. As time passes, profits are expected to rise, unrealized losses will decline, and bond maturity durations will shorten. The overall sentiment among analysts is bullish, with a consensus buy rating and an average price target of $36.13, indicating a potential upside of nearly 23% from current levels. Bank of America remains a notable asset in Berkshire's portfolio and represents a compelling investment opportunity in the financial sector. And hey, isn't that the main reason you're here after all? The road to financial success is a journey of multiple hurdles, and navigating it day by day would bring one to wit's end. Well, not to worry, because here on Business Mind, we want you to dream big and achieve bigger, and we've set it up just for you. Check the link in the description below, and who knows, your streak of success might just be one click away. HP or HPQ has become a notable part of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio since its purchase in the first quarter of 2022. With a market value of $29.2 billion and a compelling dividend yield of 3.5%, HPQ offers an attractive investment proposition. Berkshire's ownership stake of 121 million HPQ shares caused a 15% surge in share price, though recent estimates suggest that Buffett's position might currently be in the red. Nevertheless, HPQ's value proposition extends beyond price fluctuations. It trades at a modest 8.8 times forward earnings, and the company is committed to rewarding shareholders. A 5% dividend increase in November, following a 29% hike in October 2021, demonstrates this commitment. HPQ's 3.5% dividend yield outperforms the S&P 500, making it an appealing choice for income-focused investors. With a solid cash balance of $3.1 billion, HPQ is well-positioned to sustain its dividend payments. For Berkshire, this means nearly $110 million in dividends from its 104 million HPQ shares in the coming year. Despite potential risks, such as a recession affecting PC and printer sales, Argus research analyst Jim Kelleher maintains a buy rating and a $48 price target, representing a 63% potential upside from the current trading levels. HPQ's financial strength and market leadership make it a promising candidate for those willing to wait for its value to shine through. In summary, HP is a worthy addition to the list of Warren Buffett's dividend stocks, offering both income and growth potential to consider in your 2024 stocks investment portfolio. CVX, Chevron or CVX, with a market value of $302.0 billion and an enticing dividend yield of 3.8%, had a remarkable 2022. Although it's down approximately 7% in 2023, this presents a golden opportunity for investors to acquire this top blue-chip stock at a discounted price. Chevron's commitment to dividends is evident as it prioritizes this payout, and it recently raised its quarterly dividend by 6% to $1.51 per share, offering an annual yield of 3.6%, double that of the S&P 500. What's more, CVX has an impressive track record of increasing dividends for 36 consecutive years, solidifying its status as one of the finest Warren Buffett dividend stocks. Additionally, the company initiated a new $75 billion stock buyback program starting in April. Adding to its appeal, Chevron is one of the best value stocks in the market, trading at just 11.5 times forward earnings, significantly below its 5-year average of 37.8. These factors make Chevron an excellent candidate for investors seeking both income and value in their portfolios for 2024. KHC, Kraft Heinz, or KHC, with a market value of $48.8 billion and an enticing dividend yield of 4.0%, remains a solid addition to Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. Despite consumer staples underperforming in 2023, KHC holds its ground, providing investors with stability. Berkshire Hathaway shareholders can rely on KHC as one of the top Warren Buffett dividend stocks, as it continues its quarterly dividend of 40 cents per share, yielding a generous 4.0% annually. In 2022, KHC paid out $1.96 billion in dividends, with Berkshire set to receive $521 million in dividends in 2023, the company's commitment to reducing debt while maintaining its dividend adds to its attractiveness. While KHC has refrained from share repurchases in recent years, its efforts to reduce leverage have been commendable. Analyst Chris Graja acknowledges the importance of raising volume for the company's success. Although he holds a hold rating and a $37 price target slightly below the current value, a consensus buy recommendation from covering analysts at S&P Global Market Intelligence and a target price of $45.84, indicating a 12% potential upside over the next year, reflect a generally positive outlook for KHC. Kraft Heinz's strong dividend and resilience in the consumer staples sector make it an appealing choice for income-focused investors, aligning well with Berkshire Hathaway's investment philosophy. PARA, Paramount Global, or PARA, with a market value of $10.8 billion and a dividend yield of 4.2%, made significant strides in 2022, particularly with its Paramount Plus streaming platform. The release of Top Gun, Maverick, and substantial box office revenue further boosted its streaming subscribers, totaling over 77 million across various services. However, expanding in the competitive streaming market comes at a cost. The company reported a Q1 2023 revenue increase of 39% year over year, but also an adjusted operating loss of $511 million. Analysts predict streaming losses in 2023 will reach $2.1 billion before decreasing to $1.5 billion in 2024. To address this, Paramount Global reduced its quarterly dividend from 24 cents to 5 cents per share, aiming for annualized cash savings of about $500 million. BofA Securities analysts upgraded PARA from neutral to buy, citing its unique asset collection that could attract buyer interest. While not a major component of Berkshire's portfolio, Paramount Global is among the 13 companies with over 10% ownership. While Paramount Global has been a lucrative choice for stakeholders like Berkshire Hathaway, the dividend cut does raise concerns about its place on the list of the best Warren Buffett dividend stocks, prompting close monitoring of its future developments. And there you have it. These are the dividend stocks that could set you up for your 2024 success, all from the Oracle of Omaha himself. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. So check out the description below for the thing that could help you do just that. And if you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So go ahead, dream big, work hard, and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.